Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on a clear niche and the first concrete items to list. Prepare 3 strong portfolio pieces with screenshots and one-line outcomes so buyers see results. Once done, create 3 pricing tiers that map to scope and delivery time. This avoids endless negotiation. Make sure to write one compelling title and a 1-2 sentence gig overview that explains what you build and why it solves the buyer's problem. Start the listing now. Don't perfect forever. Now you focus on the middle work, detailed deliverables and proof. Explain exactly what you deliver, source files, assets, revisions, and why each item matters for the buyer's launch. Once that's clear, create FAQs that remove friction, compatibility, CMS access, and what you need from the client. Make a short demo video or screen recording showing a live site or edit. This raises conversion. Finally, include brief testimonials or metrics so buyers trust your process and results. You finish by launching and actively optimizing. After publishing, respond fast and run a short promotion or buyer outreach to get initial traction. Speed builds trust. Once orders arrive, collect feedback and refine your gig copy, images, and pricing to boost conversion. If things go wrong and orders stall, don't panic. /B test the title and images, ask previous clients or contacts for early reviews, and make small scope or price adjustments to improve appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.